All right, so car heater here. You know what? One of my favorite things is definitely these quarter washes. I love them. You know what? It's funny because you end up spending more money than you would probably just driving through the regular one. And I mean, they always go up. Now it's 250. Yeah, they take dollars. One time you can only do these silly quarters, or you would have to exchange the money for these like coins that you find at like a bazaar or like a some sort of those like gold coins or whatever, because they want to keep the cash in one place. But now look at this, they even have the credit card machine you can do. But the key is spray down the car. You always got to wash a car from top to bottom and kind of put a lot of soap on on it, so you can kind of like spread it throughout the whole car if the time goes out. But what always happens is, listen, the beepers go off and all that other crap, and it kind of like makes you get out of breath. Even like me, you're always racing against that clock, and you end up putting in more money than what you should. Does it do a decent job? It's all right. I mean, nothing beats a real sponge and everything else. And then, of course, you always got to watch the wires, or the hoses rather, hitting the car, so you got to kind of keep a tight eye. But a lot of these places also have created the automatic ones. This place is cambered up. You can see it's nice. Got the mats here. You could spray them off. This place does good. I'd love to open one of these. I think it's a great business to where it runs itself. It truly does. There's really nothing to it. So that's the thing about it. It's a great business, runs itself. You don't have to be here. I guess once in a while you come in, check on everything, and put the soap in there or whatever you want to call it, collect your cash. Like, that's even got the drop box down there on the bottom. You can see that little chute door for all the quarters. So it's pretty cool. Definitely a great business.